folder. I'll show you how to create the folder. I hope first log into your MyMDX. And if you're doing it from your home, you have to use the Data IQ software link. And then you have to go to that. But if you're anybody, for those who are starting now, so click on this lab PC and click on this link. Your user ID is student and password is MDX student. So here, Ishan, just click on this new folder. Sambit and Varun is doing it here, right? Okay, Sambit, just click on this new folder and you have to name your folder here. Give your name so that it will be easy for you to search it. Your name and create a folder here. Ishan and then Shashant, right? Yeah. Just just create your own folder here. Once you go to that link, you will see this screen. Click on this new folder. New folder and create folder. You can type some name and create a new folder here. You're done creating this folder? No way. No, you did say it. Okay, not at the page. Oh, wait. That might be.
No one used to attend to it. But it is by the removal. And so, that's very good.
Sorry.
Thank you. I got my video. How are you? That is what we have.
Not the main project. How I be your name? Start working. What? Right? Why is it not done? What do you have to process? I don't know if I. Yeah, I would.
Yes,
Oh, nice. I didn't know that, so that's how fun. And it's like a 48, and the other one is that's time. Have you done other things? Yeah. What
so what was exactly the hospital achievement? What's called? Like what is अपने लोग हैं अपने लोग आगे बाहर जाते हैं पूरा पता नहीं डब्ल्यू से रिपोर्ट डब्ल्यू से करीना है पर ये दोस्त no like bodyguard साउथ में वाले क्या भाई हॉलीडे की हो रही है पर जॉब पर ईमेल ले रही है अली इनको है मुझे सब विजय देवरकोंडा के विजय अरे हाँ हाँ so from the definitely they have bodyguard and holiday also. Vijay Tirupati is different. He is different. हाँ it's the bodyguard. Vijay Devarkonda is different. He is the one who acted actually. Vijay हाँ देखो देवरकोंडा इसका सर्टिफिकेट विजय का ये देवरकोंडा जोसफ ये है जोसफ विजय
government is not so able to he would vote for the money. He is moving so much. Like was Just clicks. Seventy percent.
Hello, ma'am.
You find your code and call me. It's not there. It's not
But you can see that.
Yes, yes. It will be joined in my.
I know. So it's good. All that.
Okay, I have fun with this. Yeah, it's already will be very happy. Yeah, I'm going on this.
You can add a.
Really, that's the tower probably. You will find the tower. Open
Okay, okay, so very sorry, half of them have lost their project. So we have to get back to them showing their project here. Okay, Ishan, have you created your folder, Ishan?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Folder is created, right? Now just do what I'm saying. Okay, so come back to the projects where you have all the projects. Okay, and
Hello,
search
ma'am.
for, hello?
Hello, ma'am. The new folder we have to create our folder, right? I
No,
created
for
it.
others you would already have a folder, so you can work
No,
on
no,
that.
no. I also missed yesterday's section. I was in hospital, so
Okay.
um, I created my folder, but then I can't see my folder here.
Where did you create? Can you
In this
search here?
section itself, Hannah
It should
Tinku.
come here. It should come here. Is it coming or not?
Ma'am, let me see.
Now, Ishan, just type in here, Shabana, and you should see this one here. Okay. So from here, you see this test. Sambit, why have you created your... So from here, you will duplicate this. Sambit, are you working in your folder or are you working in my folder? Can you check if the folder is yours? Mine. No. The workflow will be mine. The folder you should not be in my folder. You should be in your folder. Yours is fine. Fixa, yours is fine. Because sometimes name is here in mine, so that's why I was wondering if he is working in mine. Sambit, come to a new system. Okay, Ishan. So what you do is you will give a new name for this.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
I will do it, Ishan. Just give me a second. I'll do it for you. Have you created the folder or not?
Yes, ma'am.
You created, right?
By my name, right?
Sorry?
By my name, right?
Yes, by your name. No, open
Yes,
the
ma'am.
system. Yeah, it's recording. So here duplicate and then Ishan housing. This will be here. Ishan, is this you? Is this you, Ishan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Ishan, this project has been now, you have a copy of this project. You can start working on this.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay? Yeah.
Ma'am, I also created my folder. Can you check, ma'am?
What's your name?
Hannah, Hanna, Tinku.
H-A.
Hanna.
This is right.
Yes,
Ah,
ma'am.
it is there, but you don't have a project. Just give me a second. Yes, Hannah, you can go to your folder. You will have this one, your folder name. The project will be available in your folder. You can start working on that, right?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So I think everyone has, okay, let's start. We have lot of things to do. Okay, so now that everybody should be here and this one should be in dark blue. If it is not dark blue and just like one square, which means you have not run the pre-processing steps. So only if you run the pre-processing steps, this will become a solid blue. Else like it just will be one blue square box. All right. Now, okay, I didn't do the homework. So can we quickly do the homework or we'll hold it for the later? I'll hold it for the later one. All right. Okay, so now what we will do is, all of us have a very solid blue square here, or anybody is having just an outlined square here. If not, double click on this and you have to run this. Only if you run, your flow will be updated, all the processings will be updated in this particular one. Are we good here? Okay, fine. Now, step one, double click this and get to this is our pre-process data. So you should be here in the flow and double click on this. What about those online? All of you are having a solid red line here, right? I mean, solid blue box here, right? There
Yes,
should be a
ma'am.
solid
Yes.
blue box. If not, then it means that you have not run this one. The step has to be run. And now, so henceforth, all your works will be done on the cleaned data because that's what we did yesterday. So open this. Now here, this is where we are going to build our charts. On the top, you have charts here. So here you will build a lot of charts individually. And then finally, just like we do in Power BI, right? We will collate everything as a dashboard here. All right. Now, the first one, we want to show the price concentration, right? So we want to understand how price of the different properties are spread across. So which one do you think would be the right chart here? Which chart would be appropriate here to view this? Sorry? The question is, I want to understand how price is distributed.
Okay.
So which chart can we use? Bar chart is, scatter plot is for two variables. We are talking about one variable. Pie chart is for categories, multiple categories. Histogram is one good option. We can use histogram, or otherwise, the best one is your box plot. Yeah, the box plot will tell you where the mean is, median is, and everything. So we will construct a box plot first. So here, in this one, you will see all the charts available. On the top, you see this vertical bars. So if you drop down that, you will see a lot of charts here. You can choose the box plot here. Right? Are we all here together? The last is Shashank and Sambit. Completely lost Sambit. Okay, fine. Now we will use the final price. So that will be our y axis. Drag that to y. Now this is our block. You can see like, how you want. You can also expand the chart and see. Right? So ideally, you will not have like, in Excel, we have X and, mean, median. That will not be there. But what you can do is, see this box which is opening here. You can just click on this. Once you click, this box will be pinned here. So your first chart is as simple as this. Now we'll give a nice name for this. Yeah, this is the price distribution of properties. I have done this. Oh my God, this is gone. This is our first chart, the price distribution. It would be nice if we can write an interpretation for that, but the text box will be available in our dashboard. So once we move to the dashboard, we can create a text box and you can write the description for this. All right. So this will be our first. You have a lot of formatting options here. So I leave it to you to explore. I'm not like, getting into that formatting ones, but yes, you can explore all the things here. The format options. Right? Now, one more chart, box plot, but this is going to compare the price distribution across different property type. What happened? Are we good?
The numbers are not really pinned there.
Yeah, so you click, just move here and it will fit. So keep it a place and click, it will be pinned. Right? So to create the next chart, listen here, yeah. So you're all full of energy. I have like, this is the second half of the day. Yeah. But post lunch, everybody should be sleeping. Sorry? This is the day starting for you. Okay, so the next one is click on the next chart. Now create, you can also duplicate this, that's also fine. So you can also duplicate this chart, but I will create a new one. So again, one more box plot. Same final price, but I'm going to, split this across different property type. So go to drag this property type by in the by X column. Right? So now you get this across for all the different property types. So we'll change this name. Price distribution across property types. Good. So you have the final one as well as this other ones here. Are we good? Yeah. Okay. So the next thing what we are going to do is we are going to create a KPI card, a lot of cards where you just get the total number of properties that was sold and available, all those things. Okay. So for that, we will create, how about us following who are in the online? Are we good?
Yes, ma'am. Good.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Click on chart. right? So here you have KPIs, right? So what are the things we are going to show? What is the total number of listings? Number of listings that are sold. Sorry? Offers. Offers. Okay, fine. But we didn't convert offers, right? I mean, we converted sold. We had something called sold status, where we converted everything which is sold to 1 and not available or something as 0, right? So we will use that and average days in the market. Okay. So total listing. How do we count the total listing? How do we know the total listing?
Count of how?
Count of the listing IDs or count of your record, right? So I'm just going to drag this. Sorry. So this one is the sorry, this should be not count distinct, count null. Total numbers. So you have to count the total number. Yep, normal count, not the distinct ones. Non-null, yes. So here, count non-null. Yeah, if it's distinct, I think there is one property which is repeated twice. We didn't even bother. Yeah, that's okay. So count non-null here. Yeah. 7? Even after count non-null? Okay. Perfect. See, I also have removed from here. I don't want the label. See, this is not actually looking good for me. So I'm just like, clicking down and I'm just removing it. That's all. So here there is a label. So I don't want that label to be because it shows us number of listings. So I just disabled it. Otherwise, however you want, it's fine. And then the next one we will take is the number of sold listings, right? So how do we, yeah. I want to create one KPI card. So it will show the total number of listings. Then we will create a filter and that will show with respect to different areas. That's also good. Okay, so next one is I will take the sold status here and add one more. So is it okay? Is it right? See, drag and drop, that's all. So we created sold status yesterday, different variable, right? See here, there is sold status here. And drag and drop. Should we do something else? Should count? It should not be average. It has to be sum. Yeah. Because we are counting, right? Remember, yesterday we created, if it is sold, it is equal to 1. Else it is equal to 0. If I just count all the things, it's okay. Carry on with whatever the values are. So it should be, your function should be sum here. And then, so label, rather than removing, we will change it. Sold, and I will move it to the top. Oh, this is name of the card actually. Sorry. Then we will keep it as property details. Property details. This is property details. Then I will name this as total number of properties. Then I'm keeping this as 20, moving this to top. So you can change this. Can you think do you think we can add any more to make it? So what I'm going to do is, after creating this card, I will create an area-wise filter. So there is something written there, not to eat inside the class. No? Oh, it's not written. Okay.
No return. No
It's written, right? Yeah, no eating and drinking. Okay, fine. That's fine. So what you're going to do is we will create a filter so that based on that every area, we can actually choose that. All right. So this is fine. Do you want to add any more details here? What else we can add? I didn't create sold rate. Can I put, I will add average days in the market. Yeah, average days in the market. Days on the market. Yeah, this is average. So we'll also, the decimal places, I will convert it to 0. No, average. It will be average. Average number of days in the market. So here, decimal places 0. Right? And then I'll also include average inquiry rate. If you have created any other variable, no, we haven't created anything, right?
Sold property. No, we did.
Average size will not be a great, yeah. If you think like you want to show something else, what else can you show? I can show the inquiry rate here. So I'll also add the inquiry rate, average inquiry rate.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. No issues. Whatever you want to show. Yeah. So no, you want to show that as an average. You're talking about the title or the entry. Oh, you didn't calculate. It's okay. Fine. You choose something else. It's fine. Like number of viewings, number of inquiries. Are we done here?
Yeah.
Now we will include a filter here, which means this is for all the areas together. Now drag your property size, area into the filter here. Drop your area under the filter. You have the 3 dots, right? Click on this. See, you can convert that into different ways. You don't want a checkbox. We know we can have a nice checkbox here. I mean, a radio button. So that would help you, like, which property you want to see.
Yeah.
So if I click on business bay, see, it gives me the number of properties listed in business bay and this number sold and the average days. So it changes for each and everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a conditional formatting here. So that will show that if the average days in the market is above 50, then it is going to be shown in a different color. And if the inquiry is less than, let's say 3 or 4, then it should show us in a different color here, right? So the inquiry rate, what is the inquiry, lowest inquiry rate? 5, something had 4, right? Something is having 4. Yeah. So what we can do is we can go to format here. So in the format color, see this. In the color, you can add a color group. So this will apply to, let's say, let's first start with the inquiry rate. If the inquiry rate, the rule is, if the inquiry rate is less than 5. So go to format. And here in the color, you have a add color group. So click on this. And click on the nothing is apply to. Apply to is I'm selecting it for the inquiry rate here. And if the inquiry rate is less than 5, then let's, make a red color background and scream that, hey, this is in danger zone. And similarly, if the number of days in the market is above 60, so we can add one more color rule. No, we are, sorry? Yeah, greater than 60, but okay, just give me a second. I think another color group, add another color group here. And then here choose average days in the market. And this is greater than 60. Let's keep it as 60. And then again, this will scream red. It's in danger. That's all. Now again, go back here. See, you change it. Everything will be fine. And whichever has the danger ones will be shown in red. Are we good here? Yeah. So this is one thing which we will go. You can also change the background of the cards, font of the cards. I leave it to you for that. Yes.
Can you like quickly tell how you change the decimal number, like just of one example?
You can just drop here. See here, decimal places, I changed it to 0.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
So, yeah, that's all. Okay, so which areas have more inventory? So can we construct a simple bar chart here and then show which area has more inventory which is not sold? I want you to try this. You can do a bar chart here, but you want to show the available houses which is not sold across different areas. Yeah, vertical stripes. Please construct a bar chart. It's so simple now. Which areas have more inventory? Bar chart, vertical axis. Another chart, vertical bars. Yes, area in the x-axis. Okay. I'm very curious about the y. Question is, which areas have more inventory?
Number of pages.
No, inventory is the properties which is not sold. Sorry?
Sold status.
Sold status, yeah.
Sold status is like average sold rate.
You need to use filters. You can think of it. Just think of it, how we can show it. At the same time, like, what we did. Yeah.
Area.
Area will come into the x-axis. Count of zeros, yes. How will you count the zeros? So use the filter.
Listing
No, how do you know which
the
one?
ID, we can find whether this house property sold or not. Exactly.
Yeah, okay. But you're still not getting the filter part of it. You need something to filter to show that these are the availables. Yeah, there's multiple ways to do it. You want to remove this, I'll remove this. Okay, so I will go with Varun. Varun says we'll take the list count of list. Okay, I will take the listing ID and I will count the non-nulls ones. Okay, but this includes both the sold and the available ones. Exactly. That's all. So in the filter, you can drag the sold status into the filter. Right, and then I will just choose to simple single value or something, and then this one gives us only the ones which are sold here, so which is not sold. So these are the properties which are not sold. Yes, I think I'm recording, right? Yeah, I'm recording it, yes. Yeah. Inventory by area. Okay, so you can also sort this if you want to sort it. Okay, so how do we sort it? Okay, the price bands, I didn't do the price bands. Can you try the price bands here? Which price bands sell better? So for price bands, we need a new variable. But here, okay, let's not do it because then we have to go back and then come back. So let's not do it here. We can do it using aggregation, but let's not get into it. So let's leave the price band. If you have price band, please, you can do one more thing. Okay, can you answer this? Increase.
So we can compare it with final pricing
N is the days to sell.
pricing and inquiries with the final pricing.
No. The higher price increase the time the property is on the market.
Also, days of market tax.
Yes. Which chart?
With chart. How many for the and we are asking general question or we're asking with data.
That's a general question. So if you can't use any type of chart on any variables, right?
I mean, that's also you can.
Louder, he is giving some answer. Akash. No, see, both are numerical. Huh? Yeah, so both of them are numerical variables, right? Price and time on the market. Vertical bars will be only for single variables, or you have, and that too it's mostly appropriate for categoricals. Two numerical variables. So you studied Power BI or no?
Very rare.
Huh?
Very limited ones.
Yeah, but Professor Supriya took that or Professor Dushyant?
So he was great, but we didn't understand.
No, but then you studied. That's all.
Yeah, we studied.
So which means you should give the answer now. Yes. No. I want to, does higher price, yes. How did you find out the answer? Line chart, is it appropriate in this scenario? Trend is, when do you use trend? Yes. She asked the question, she gave the answer. So yes, this chart would be a. Huh? Scatter plot. Regression starting itself is scatter plot. Two numerical variables. And then
Final price goes out.
So that there we have an option for exports.
Thank you. The filter पे डालें, उसके पहले बताऊंगी। अगर मेरा प्राइस 10 का इतना बिका, तो मैं इसमें एक और फिल्टर लग गया।
Because you get the patients, right?
टाउन हाउस रहेगा। हाँ, सच। हाँ, सेकंड है। प्रॉपर्टी Just give 5.
I want to fit a regression line and everything. So that I will do. That's all. So you want to do, you do it. It's up to you. You can explore. Okay, so yeah, so that's exactly what I wanted. So go to scatter plot. There is scatter plot. Scatter plot. In the X, it is going to be does higher price. Oh, we are still going fundamentals. Does higher price increase the time on the market? So which one goes to the X?
X, ma'am, goes to the time. Or
Does
days on
higher
market.
price influence higher day on the market? So days on X, I want to know what is X here. Price is X. Price is on the X. So price, if the price is high, we are finding out whether the time on the market is higher or not, right? So this is Y and this is X for us. So where is price? Final price. I'll use the final price in X and the days on the market on Y, right? Why is it so ugly? I got a better one. Okay, I will use price in thousands. That one seems to be a bit. No, it's also the same.
It's the same. There is not much difference. Only put 0 the string.
Okay, so we will.
Like filter out.
Well, let's keep this one. No issues. Now here,
So,
you can
ma'am,
actually, yeah. Someone
at
asked some
the
question.
price band, I
Price?
calculated the price band, and based on that, I had put it. Will that work?
No, see, scatter plot is exclusively for numerical variables. When we calculate price band, it becomes categorical. So here it will
No,
not be
just to find the
appropriate.
answer. just to find the answer.
Oh, yeah, sure. You can definitely use it. No issues. Yeah. So here you can fit a regression line. All right. So this is our regression line. The other one is you can also add average lines, reference lines as average lines. All right. So which means, let's say I'm going to add a first reference line. So this line is nothing but an aggregation of some column. So let's say this is final price, right? So we will take we'll take the price and the aggregation will be average here. And the reference line of this final price and thousands will be on the x-axis and not on the y-axis. Which means, so this line gives us the average of the price. Average of the price. This is the average price. Can you try one for average days on the market and draw that line?
Constant also average or efficiency.
Can you draw one more line that will show the average days on the market, and that should come on the y-axis, not on the x-axis. Yeah? I don't know what is happening there. I'll just figure it out. How are we doing here? I don't Why is it like your filter driving the wheel? That's okay, guys. I don't know which stuff the filter is on. So it's okay. Just follow the question we asked is price influence the number of days the current of the month. So this will be price. Okay, so for the other line, we will add one more line here, reference line. This is based on data column, which is days on the market and average aggregation. And this will be displayed on the x-axis. Yes, so we have this one. Right, so this is another regression line we have. Okay, so we want to understand. Let's get back here, right? We want to understand the performance of agents across, areas and channels, right? So we are going to use how the agent's performance is happening across different areas and channels. So what I'm going to do is, sorry? You have so many variables here. See, agents, channels, areas, right? So we want to know how they are performing across different things, all right? So what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to use an inquiry rate. So if an agent receives more number of inquiries, right? Then which means that the agent is performing better, right? And which channels and which areas are this particular agent receiving more from? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for now, what we are going to do is, we are going to create a new, it's not a variable, a new drilling option called as hierarchy. So what I'm going to do here is, we'll create another new chart. Hey, you can also you can show the regression equation also here. I forgot to show you. You switch on the formula, you will see the regression equation. Why is it not coming? I don't know why the formula is not coming here. Oh, it's here. Font size, let me increase it. Okay, I will change the position. If I change the position, it comes here. And then I will change it to red color font. No, it's not visible at all. That's a regression line we have. Yeah. So I tried something. Okay, so we'll go to the next chart. Sorry? This one, you go to the regression line. So under regression line, we have formula.
Yeah.
So here the formula, it was in the right position and somehow it is not showing. So I changed it to left. So it came here. I just increased the font size and color size so that it can be made, distinct.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I actually figured it out. Can you do the position to right
Okay.
and try moving the graph around? I tried moving it around, it actually appeared.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
there.
So here it is. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
the extreme of it. So I tried changing it, but still it didn't come. Okay. Yeah. It's getting hidden somewhere there. Okay. Thank you so much. Who's that? I don't know who was
It
that.
was me, ma'am. Yes, that was me.
Oh, okay. Thanks, Lawal.
No problem.
Okay. So the next one is we will create a hierarchy. All right. So what we are going to do is this option hierarchy. Okay. So the first one is I'm going to see the performance of the agents first. All right. So for that, I'm going to use a simple bar chart here. We'll have the agents on the x-axis and the inquiry rate on the y-axis. The inquiry rate will be the average inquiry rate, right? So we can't have like a sum or something. So it's the average inquiry rate. Yeah, sure, sure. Where has gone my... Okay, I think we can't do the hierarchy because that was working in... Yes. Yeah, one second. Hierarchy we can't do it because that was away.
Save for me. Save for me.
Can you drop the agent into the x-axis? See, even the filter is on for us. You have checked one or what? Probably that because of that you will be getting a different number. Right? Just go ahead. Okay, so this one I thought maybe the aggregation option is not there. I mean, there is a hierarchy option which is not there here. But what I will do is, instead, we will do an animation here. And we will drop the area into this animation. Okay. So which means these values will fluctuate across different areas. So you can actually click on repeat and you can slightly increase the speed to 2. And if you play, it keeps changing for different areas. So like, you know, for Dubai Marina, how each agent is performing. So which one is not working? So no, the hierarchy option is not there in this cloud. I seriously have no idea why half the options are not working for you.
And even for me, the inquiry any answer you
Okay, break. Fine. We have to do statistics also. So we'll come back and then we will do. Okay, fine then. So we'll go for a break and then we'll be back around 3:10 or something. And then we'll build the dashboard. And I have no clue. Wait, we'll see what happens there. So for those online, do you have any doubts? We have a break till 3:10. Your hackathon will be like, on dashboard building.
like this.
Yes, you have to build a dashboard.
I'm doing the public or
We need to publish. We'll come back and publish.
If I not publish any problem,
Not for the class, but you need it for your hackathon, right? Yes. Will be good.
how we can do because you're writing. Like, you have to do another action.
But we going export for every class we will have the itself will come. This is only specific for them. So when the class comes in, he will give you more data. You will be practicing the same. Right?
Write that. Why the rates are already I'm very new to this. Because I have no idea. Is this that? How to do it?
But you can really dancing.
Yes, it is not for that, but fully like.
You just started, right? So just we have a lot to learn with this. This is just a starting point for you. By the time you start building a model, this will become like very easy for you and then you do it very good. No, you have a lot.
Same doubt.
Sorry?
Same thing. Even for me, it is like new, so understanding this, remembering this is a challenge.
No, see, this is like, how did you find data? How did you find Power BI?
Power BI was easy, I could play with it, but this I'm like, not sure.
like easy, bro.
I was following the trend, but again, I didn't get that one, so I was like,
Excellent.
I like missed one thing, right? It's very, like, so if one thing gets messed up, then the whole thing
See,
will.
that is because I'm taking like a story. Because of which you're missing the flow here.
Right.
Not necessarily you have to be reading a story every time, right?
So I'm worried going to the time-based task and.
You will be able to do it, don't worry.
We will go after 1 week. I'll stay with him, then he will.
No, you will actually see, this is pre-implementation charts. Once you implement the machine learning, again you will implement charts. So you will have, again, you will have post-implementation charts also.
And we'll have to update this
This was
question.
like fine problem.
So I think this is, everything is taking, no, I think it's a server problem here. First. If I go to this, let's say.
It's very different. Yeah. Bro, I went to I was not strong. But the kids have a big because they never think. And we keep on doing so much. I think sick. You have to publish, right? And then save, create new how, like it's showing this option.
This picture, publish, we will publish it in the dashboard.
And should I log in now?
So it should add another dashboard.
Let it be like this. So you want to go, publish, it will go to the
If I
dashboard.
log in in
Now
another,
just come here once.
if I log in another tab, it will show like a start.
Yes, yeah, I'm not sure how many things would be there, I think one to eight, yeah.
I'm asking out here.
Yeah, I will-
Order taking. That's the.
What is your name?
I'm seeing publish. So it's making me one, so you have to say, oh.
Yeah, which one, so first one, what I will do is, so So deselect this one, the last one. So and you have to create different pages, right? So what I will do is first page I create only the box plot. First do box plot and do page one. Okay. Next is console. Now if you add text box. Now you try to what is the meaning of all these box plots here. You have to write the interpretation of the box plot.
Yeah.
So this is one. So you can see it here. You also click on view. Adjust it.
So like this will be the Power BI.
Yeah, so just like Power BI, you create it.
And how do we go back and add the?
Yeah, you can go back. Here, like one, down.
Oh, very.
No, you should go back to the base. Double click. Want to go to the dashboard, dashboard. Because of. You just have to find out where each one is. So once you get a hold of it, then it will be easy for you to trace.
I'm just again, is it this? How do I add like these two are?
Go back here. So once it is again published.
Okay, we add one side dish to then add another there.
No, then you will create two different tabs. What I will do is uncheck this. On this. On this. H. So this will go to the again.
So it won't be like a one page all the things. So you wouldn't be wanting individual pages.
At least two ones in a single page. This one I will give it in
Because Power BI you are expecting one.
one. But so this one I will give it as a separate page. The other ones I will show you. Just basically, if you want, put everything in a single page. That's up to you.
But you are recommending maybe two pages. Your some this one data is
See, I don't know. I connected it different for my course. I don't know how.
different by
I connected.
yeah, there.
No, it's okay. It will be kind of. I don't know how it is, but
Like questions, how the
questions will be like
only in dashboard by given data.
data set, and you will be introduced to how good you are able to tune a model. A model should have a higher predicting accuracy, right? So you have to do a lot of pre-processing and a lot of tuning to get out good accuracy. So
What's that? Make left right. What is what's really
I think it would be more of a dashboard, but I don't know, but I see that it's simply cost money. It takes me for the
Ask me that I don't know.
Last body like
Oh, this is the last.
It's the last.
chapter go happily.
No, this and strategy. But that is the. This is our main module. We are taking here.
Right, there are some certifications, try to complete certifications, it will be really useful.
Like where?
What's there?
What's that?
Data IQ certificate, data IQ certificate.
Really?
Yeah.
After this. What is
You can also do the certificate.
Data IQ website, have a lot of certifications there. See which one you can, like, you have to know, you have to find.
We can log in from the like our student ID. Like
It's a website. You can ask.
Just in Coursera, you have to log in and then let you know you have to.
What's the way to beg people?
Yeah, it's one certificate or two certificates, it's the others are paid expenses. Yeah.
Difficult.
Yes.
Can you do these things in Power BI?
Yeah, that is Power BI. Power BI is also a dashboard. Right?
Because,
For the exam,
no, not rated
I
exam.
mean the core assessment coursework. I'm not sure about that. That you need to check with professor.
No, not like that. Actually, I was thinking because in Power BI, there are some APIs that you can integrate.
Hmm. Here also you
But you are telling the enterprise version and the
Oh,
student
yeah.
version. So yes, in Power BI it's free. So
yeah, you can try it, no issues. This is what we are introducing new different tools and then ways of approaching problem here. So this is one of the tools. So not every tool can work in all the scenarios, right? So it's up to you.
ma'am, you can go for CDN and Nexus. They are the
Okay.
new emerging technologies right now.
Okay.
And if you install Cloud Codex and if you go for free model.dev, it's a website. It's like you get API key for Cloud Codex for free and you're getting Opus 4.8.
Okay.
After that, if you get that, then you can connect your integrate with your NAT10. For that, you have to go for Docker.
Okay.
And after Docker is done, when you install your NAT10 in your CMD, after that, you can go for different automations. And if your cloud memory, if your own PC memory is running low, you can go for Obsidian and Nexus.
Okay.
Oh, just this.
Yes.
I was
Okay.
regarding the seminar. Is it okay if we leave a bit early?
Yeah, the 4 o'clock, the for
Yeah.
something, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll try to wind up by 4. I have only the pivot table, which I doubt if I can finish it or not. Yeah, we'll try to wind up and then we will. I have an option here called hierarchy. But no, it's not available in the cloud version. There is an online one which you get for 1 year. So I had that one. There, a different this option is available, but here it is not available. I thought I just used that one, so I thought it will be available here. No. So if that is there, then you can actually drill down. Yeah. So look at here. So I have created a hierarchy with channel and agent. So right now it's all rough. So this is the agent, right? It is a channel. Yeah, so I can just right click, and if I drill down, so all the walk-ins across, this is only for walk-ins across different agents. And then I go up, it will be for all. So again, I can just right click and drill down for email. Yeah, this is only for email. In the chart itself.
Put two channels there and automatically.
Yeah, so this option is not here. So this is not that. It just stops with aggregations. That's right. Yeah. We'll create one line chart. All of us there? Yeah, one line chart. Can you just find out the listing, how listings are changing? You can change over months. So you have to take the count of the listings and do it across months. You'll use the date field. You should use the date and the x-axis. You can use the time frame, the time series one to use the date and the line chart. You can use the line chart.
Change over months.
we'll come to the next one. How does, yeah, let's come to the next one. How does listing change over months? So for this, we will use lines, and in the X, you will use the listing date. Yeah, let's listen here. Yeah, please. Move the listing date to the X. And then see, we are counting the number of listings here, right? So the number of listings will be, yes, listing ID. And so this would be, as usual, non-null. Yeah. Now, see, look at here. The listing date, it is a day by day, right? So you have every day here, and because of which it is not giving a clear picture. So you can actually click on this listing date, and you can actually arrange the dates by month, right? Why do you want individual day by day? So if you arrange by month, it becomes a little more of an ordering here. So it gives you every month how the property is being listed. Now, I also want to see how it changes over area, right? So we can just drag area and create one here. So for every area, so area is too much. Probably for property type, we can do it.
Yeah, property.
Yeah, property type, because it's too many layers. See, overall, this is how your properties listings are changing over a period of time, slightly increasing during March, and then gradually coming down in April. But if you want to look at differently with respect to apartments and villas, you also get a different period here. Count non-null. Because see, if you count distinct values, oh my God, what did I do? So if you count distinct values, it just counts the distinct values. But if you count non-nulls, it will count all the values. All the values here.
Is only distinct.
Distinct, yes. Oh, yeah, 0 and 1 will be counted as 2 in non-null. But if you have distinct, it will be counted as 1 there. So this is, we can rename this as listings over month. Right? I'm also quickly going to do one statistics here just for our price so that it will help us for, analyzing it there. So charts and then click on statistics here. All of us there together. Can you open the line? Are we done with the line chart? Yeah. Once you're done with the line chart, click on statistics here. The top. Right, so I'm going to create my own worksheet. A simple, see, you have a lot of analysis here. I'm just keeping a simple univariate analysis here. It's all statistical analysis, that whatever we have done using SPSS. So we also have it here. So in the univariate, so the price, thousands. It gives you a histogram and then summary statistics and a box plot. We have a box plot, so we don't want a box plot here. I just need the summary statistics here. And this will create a card for us. Click on create card. Click on create card. Yeah. So we have a histogram and then what is the mean, median and the quantile tables. Everything is available here. So now we are going to port everything to a dashboard and then we will show it in the dashboard. So I'm starting with the chart here. So this publish will actually publish your individual charts, move them towards the dashboard. So in the dashboard, you can decide how you want to place each of them, how many pages you want, you can decide there. Yeah, you can publish. See, once you publish, here it gives you an option. So how do you want, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take first and second, and I'm going to create an exclusive page for that. Only the price and the price box plots. So this would be our default dashboard here, or we can also create a one. We can do it little later. Create. Okay. So now we can just, just in a big, ensure the sizes are big and then everything is good. But even as you open it, it will show full. So probably I'll bring this down. Oh my God, it has gone too down. Right? And then here, I also want to add the one from our statistics here. So that will be available. Where is it available? I got it. It's not available here. I will save this here.
You added that card the new title.
Which one?
The new just next to this where you have to write the forward.
I didn't get what he's saying.
What?
I
had another card where you could write it forward.
yeah, that card was here. In the new title, you have the text here. But we need the mean median values. So I will put that mean median also and then we can discuss that. Right. So you see, anytime you can access the dashboard from here. So I'm going back to the flow. And here we will have our charts and statistics. So this one, I'm going to add, I have to port this. Click on this. Yeah. And publish this to the same place where we have the ones, right? The previous ones.
For which you want to save for that.
I'm locking this so that it will not move here. So there's a small lock here. So it will not move. This one.
Not this.
Huh.
This the top.
This one.
That's
This one. That one we created in statistics.
yeah.
So from there you go back to statistics. There will be 3 dots on the right hand side.
Yeah.
Click on that publish.
Publish.
Yeah, publish and add it to this dashboard.
I have to take the page number, right?
Yes, ensure if you are in page 1, add it to page 1. Yeah. Now add the interpretation for this. Price distribution. Yeah, please. So you know the mean, median, and you have standard deviation. You can discuss, say something about the box plot. Yeah, explain it. Oh, yes, explain it.
No.
Yeah, you can type it and explain it. How does this look like? The price. So the box plot, you see the upper end, the upper whisker. We call this as a whisker. The upper whisker. We all done this in our advanced business statistics course. Anybody who's not from advanced business statistics course? Anybody? All of you are from the, have taken it, right? This was your first submission.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Yeah, the interpretation is easy.
Yeah. I thought you would write it, but then I'm writing it.
Yeah.
The statistics you have, we created a statistics. Remember that? Yes. You go to the statistics tab. So just a second, I'll save this. Yeah, you have to go to the statistics tab here. So here, see, there is a publish option. So you publish this, it will ask you where to publish this. You can put then when you click on publish, see, and I added it here. Cancel. Since I did it again, I'm not doing it. Which one? This is the text. I saved it here. So this is the reason I didn't put everything in a single page, so that it will be like looking good here.
Yeah.
Now you want to see how this looks.
Yeah.
You can view. Oh, I didn't save it. Sorry. Save this. So this is your dashboard. I think we can still move this up. I will move this up so that it will be looking good here. No, it's not looking great. Sorry. Yeah. So the first sheet of your dashboard. Good. So tired. So now we got this, and then we brought in the statistics from the fact. You have to flow. Yeah. Publish. Move to the same page. So I just adjusted the format so that it looks good. Yeah, so you can create a new tile. What is it? Then like create your text added here and down. And then I probably put the data on the how much you want to do and what you pay. That's for section. Keep saving this. Once you save this. On the line chart. If you do the date passing, date passing, then it's class. Only if you do the date passing, that's still not necessary. Yeah, 25. Okay, section flagship. Yeah. My God, like you should be able to create. Yeah, can you rather, new tiles and new pages. Add a new dashboard again, I mean another page for the dashboard.
We can add more.
Yes, go back here. So go back to flow. So right now we have done only for the, two charts, right? So we have to now, so these two are met. Now we have to move this one. So this I'm going to publish in the second page. Create a new page. This is KPIs.
It a new dashboard.
No. Same dashboard. I'm doing a different page.
A page can be saved by any name.
Yeah, give a nice title. Yeah. You can give a name. See, you want to give a title for the page, right? So give it here. No issues. Choose page 2. So this one.
वो उसको छोटा बड़ा करके तो डायरेक्ट इसको पहले अपना अलाइनमेंट देखिए टू पे ऐड करता है हां
अलग से ऐड
ठीक है अच्छा है
So you can type in the title here. Display as a title.
how to filter here
Yeah. For filters, click on the data set. In the data set, ours is cleaned. The cleaned data set.
add filter
Which column? Area. That's all. And set filter. So here I will change it to single value. And you can, what happened? Yeah, same. Yeah. Now you want to, see, dashboard is all about alignments also. So align it in a nice way. Once this is done, go back to the next one. So this is not, so you have to bring this one also. Save one. Now you can also take the new page. You will know that new page.
ये यहाँ पे न्यू फिल्टर वाला लिखा हुआ ऊपर नहीं अपलोड क्लिक करो अपलोड का मतलब कुछ और फिल्टर डिलीट करना और डिटेल क्लियर और हमें पुराना कॉपी डिलीट कर
Everything is like pre-processing. You just have to forward and backward.
Did you add any filter for this?
Yeah, so I'm going to add the area filter here. Area filter comes. Yeah, what happened? For you, it's coming or it's the same?
Single value.
Okay, so already this has a filter, that's a problem. It's not like, it's doing double filtering. We filtered, remember we also had a filter for this. Add filter. I will select a tile. No. No, it's not coming for me too. No. No, it's actually not coming because we have two filters there. So that's the reason. Don't add a filter now. Or we disable cross filtering. And then
After cross filtering also not coming.
yeah, it's not coming. There is two filters here. That's the issue. Otherwise, I think you can delete the filter there and then we can try it. There is an option remove filter. You can remove it. You can remove it. See, for example, I just want to try this. No. You click here. You have a remove filter. You can remove it. It's fine then. Like we will discuss this later. So I will just keep it here. Save. So this is page 2 for us. And then you can push on the remaining ones into the same one. Same page. So we have, yeah. That's exactly that, because we have already created a filter. So somewhere from here, the filter is not being carried forward properly is my guess. You can remove this and then add it. But then again, how come it's coming?
For him, it's coming. For me, it's not yeah.
So this one publish, I will choose this, and this. The first chart, right? Yeah. Yes. Loud. Yeah. Which page you want to push
So
that?
in that now I have selected each to add. If I want the flow to also take the last and can I edit in this page itself? How to do it?
They don't go to the chart. So now, I come from the chart.
So now I'm going to create and like you can create available to the population. Okay. It's recorded. So okay, I'll select
The page, where the sound coming?
that is also.
That page. That is the one.
That's positive. We don't have that. Go up in there.
Which bar chart is this? I think yeah, instead of publish.
Double put the second one.
Yes.
And the forward save after much.
Yes, that's all. So we have. So you can actually shift. So this is our page one. You are discussing, you can tell that how the price is all distributed. Second price about how your KPIs are across areas. And finally, how area wise everything is moving here. Right? So this is a very basic dashboard. Yeah. Very basic chart here. Okay, so I have one more exercise where I'm going to show three different joining the different data sets. Yeah. And how many of you have to leave now for 4 o'clock? They have
Something seminar.
seminar. Okay, so just, yeah. So this is my last class. I think probably after that, you will meet Professor Krishnadas. He is trying because Professor Krishnadas is not coming. Yes, sir. Bad Professor Krishnadas is not here. Yes. Please did say that. So I will have to leave you with your professors. No more discussion from. Yeah, so what we right? So view it and take it through the pages. So you can actually move across. You click this, and click this, you will move across pages. So you need to adjust the how it is. So when you click down, okay. So can we fix the other one? Pivot table. Is that okay? Okay, so the next exercise would be just wait. While leaving, just ensure you give your names and then leave because I don't know. I know Shashank, Sambit, and then this lady was. I know her. No. She interacts with me very nicely. I forgot your name. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Yeah, Kalyan. Yes, sorry. Kalyan. I know her. So other ones I don't know is your Siddharth, and what is your name? Aditya. Adityan or Aditya? Aditya. Okay, fine. So then I'll take your names. No issues. Okay. So now what we will do is we'll go back to our projects. Okay, can we do another new one? One new project? Are we all done with this? We'll get a new project. Okay. So for that, go to your My Learnings. And then there is credit card transactions data. Yeah, now new project altogether. This is done. So this is a new data set. We will load it in a new project and it's a small exercise. That's all. We'll wind up.
Common flow.
Sorry? You have to come back to your project.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah.
New project.
Yeah, so we are going to create a new project.
Inside our folder.
Yeah. So ensure you download the credit card transactions. Yeah.
Report back project.
So now go to a new project. So this one we'll call it as credit card transactions.
Which file do we need from the credit card transactions? There's 3 files.
Yeah, the 3 files, that's all. Where is it? Here. So just the week 3 credit card transaction files. And then click on create. Yeah. You can download it in your system. So this one is how, okay, let's listen here. So this one gives you how exactly your data sets will be in your company. Yes. The data set, I named it as credit card transactions. You can name anything you want. Are we all here?
Yes.
Credit card transactions. Okay. Take your time, no issues. So, don't create it. So we have to create it little later. Are you? Probably you are loading housing. Yeah. You can't upload.
It's showing it's already existing. I'm going to overwritten. Yeah, that is also happening. Will you try? Because out of 3 only 2 are getting uploaded.
Change the name and upload.
All 3 names are.
Yeah, you can just say 1, 2, 3 and upload.
Yeah.
It's coming for me. It's not giving any error.
Only 2 are getting uploaded.
No, all the 3.
I have only 2. Yeah. There are three. For you want to change the name.
I didn't change the name.
We got it.
Yeah. So see, this is about credit card transactions. Now, if you open the data set and see, I just want you to understand the data here. So cardholder information. So you need to understand the primary key in a data set. The primary key usually occurs only once in a data set. So that will be unique for each row. It will not replicate, like the property list ID. All those things are important ones. What happens? Overloading? Okay, gentlemen, listen. You want to leave, please. I'll reduce the noise first. So, the last one, gentlemen, please. No time, 4 o'clock. I'll give you a just remind, give your name, remind 2%. 5 of you, right? I should. Who's your friend here? Who's Hifza? Hifza will remember all 5 of your names and she will tell me. Okay? Yeah, that's all I want. I know, I remember your names, but just I want. Right? See.
They gave the software.
Okay. Now listen here. So you have 3 different data sets. In the data set, if you look at this, is credit customer cardholders data set. So if you look at this, these values, right? The first one are card details. It's not card details. So you will not have the same card number for 2 customers. These are all unique, right? Your credit card number and my credit card number cannot be the same at any point of time, right? So these are all unique identifiers, right? So we are going to use this to match a lot of things across different data sets. So this one is for credit card holders.
Okay.
So we have the card detail, when it was activated, what is the reward program.
After including the files, create multiple data sets.
I'll come. And then if you look at the transactions, see, credit card holder is nothing but like your customer data set. So each one will be unique. But in transaction data set, a customer can make multiple transactions. So which means you will have the card ID will, replicate multiple times, right? But then you have unique transaction ID. Transaction ID, like, if I take my credit card, I go to Carrefour and I purchase once, I will have a unique transaction ID. But my card number will remain the same. Second time I go, transaction ID will be different, but my card will be different. So what happens is, if Carrefour, you will scream after this. If Carrefour wants to study my purchase pattern, it will be very difficult for them to find out the transaction ID. So what they will do is, they will not use my credit card details because it is very confidential, but they will have my mobile number or something associated with the credit card. So they will just take that mobile number, and then once they take that mobile number, since it is connected with all the transactions that I have made, they can get a list of all the transactions from for my account. Okay. And similarly, this is transactions. And if you look at merchant info, right? So we have merchant IDs. I might have done a transaction with different merchants, right? So I can actually, if you look at the transaction ID also has a merchant ID. So for using that credit card, I have made a transaction with a particular merchant, right? Merchant ID. So I can actually find out which merchant, these people I'm actually frequently, transacting with. So this is basically, if you see, that's just 3 unique identifiers that are going to connect each of this data set, right? Credit card number, merchant ID, and transaction ID. So if you look at this, each of them have different data with them, information with them. But then if I want to connect, see, look at here. I have credit card, merchant, and transaction. But I want to find out which reward program gave more number of transaction IDs.
Oh.
The reward program is available only with card ID, right? But then, I want to use that and find out where, which number of, what is the amount of purchase the reward is particular, that reward program is giving. So if you want to, I'm going to interconnect the columns across data sets now.
Have you the card? Credit card.
Yes, and for just for usage, we are just giving this card ID. Right? It could be anything else, but then regularly we don't use a card ID. Right? Okay, so now what we do is we will upload. Yeah. So see, there are yeah. I'll come. So now if you go back to card, there is a reward program here. Each card has a different reward program, right? I want to find out which of these reward programs are giving more purchase amount. Yes. So that I can give more promotional offers to that reward program.
Okay.
Right? But the purchase amount is available in transaction data set.
Okay, so that is my target.
That's right. So that is my target, but purchase amount is in target transaction, but the reward program is in cardholders data set. Now I have to connect these two. And then I have to extract here, right? Multiple data sets. Now wait, I will show you. So you have to quickly set the schema also. So can you just set the schema also? So what I'm going to do is I will take all the three.
Yeah.
And then okay, I don't have anything here. Yeah. So, oh my God. Right? So you are going to create three different data sets because we will then later on link them together. So create multiple data sets here. So for each data set, what we are going to do is we have to quickly fix the schema. Fortunately, there is no missing values here. Everything has been corrected, right? Else we have to do that again. Pre-processing has to be done. So we will quickly infer data types, confirm, create and go next. Create and then go next. This is the second data set.
Yeah.
For this data set also, you have to infer the data types and then go to the next data set. So for three data sets, create, ensure the schema is red and then it is smooth. You can just click on this one. It will go back to your data set. Confirm. And then create and then go to the next. Again, infer types, confirm. And finally, everything is created. See, we have three different data sets now.
Yes.
Right? Now I have to connect all the three data sets. Literally, I'm going to join all this. All of us together are where did you lose? Should I go back again? Right click and delete. You can delete it. So I go here, import data set, upload. I went one step before, so you should be here. Select all the three together and drag and drop it.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
No.
Create multiple data sets. So here you have schema. So in the schema, infer types from the data. Go out, watch Aramse, and then you can come back.
I can do once. You have read it.
And then confirm. Now you see here, create and next. So it will go to the next data set. Create and then, so first we are done. Now if you click on create and next, it goes to the next one.
Again, you should give infer types of.
Yes, for this particular one, again insert data type. This is the second data set.
Again, give create.
For the third.
Third.
So 3 different data sets. You have to infer the schema for all the 3 different data
So we have
sets.
referred 3 now. Now what from?
Now create. Create. Done?
This one. Fine. For 3 times I did.
Lubna and Brinda. Got it? Okay.
Yes,
And then create and next.
I will check it below.
Confirm. Shh, who's this? What happened? Kipsa. Is that video by yours? Or the gentleman sitting next to you? So we have 3 different data set here. We need to, make join these 3 data set. So first start with the card holder. First, I'm going to click join here. Yeah. Okay, who's that? This gentleman. What's his name? I forgot. Prathamesh. Prathamesh, it's fine to watch. Just go out and watch and come back. Okay, click on join. So here it's asking which data set should be joined. So first I'm going to join it with the transactions. Okay. So first this would be card holder and joined one. This is fine. Create a recipe. Now it's saying, hey, how do you match these two? Right? So it's condition under which you're going to join.
What should be joined?
Card holder and transaction should be joined.
Card holder, then join with transaction. Card holder, and input data sets, we should keep join the.
Wait a minute.
Join. Can you join this? No data is selected. Select transactions. Select transaction. Yeah, and create recipe.
Card holder, join. So card holder will be joined with the transactions first. And then it's okay. You leave the name like what it is and create recipe. Now, so you are asking to merge these two. So which common column will help us to identify? Remember we said credit card details, right? Transactions also has credit card number and the credit card holder details also has the credit card number here, right? So we are going to match it based on that. So here the internal card mapping, right? So this is the credit card number. And here in the transaction ID, we have card ID. You have to choose the card ID here. So now it will map. So it will map the card ID of your customer and it knows that it is a reward program. And these are the ones that the customer has transactioned. Are we good or not? There. Right? Okay. Now click on OK. Run.
Run?
Yeah. Click on run.
The card
Can you confirm the condition we selected?
Condition is the card ID mapping there and the card ID on the transaction. Is it really taking so long?
Yes. Done. It's internal card map. Card ID.
Card ID and the internal card ID mapping. Card ID. In the transaction data set, it is card ID. Now you can go back to flow. So we have just, joined these two. And if you double click this. Sorry? Which color it is?
It's not as same as that.
Which means, no, it's not complete, which means it's not complete. A dark box it's what a completed one. If it is not, run, did you run? Complete the run? Sorry? Not So here, now see, it has actually connected everything, reward program with the purchase amount, right? So now you can actually connect with, sorry? How did, see, reward program was available only in the cardholder data set. Yeah, the purchase amount was available only in the transaction ID data set. Now we have joined it, so you can see which reward and the purchase amount for that. So now you are able to connect both. Now you can find out which reward program. You can build a chart for it, right? So you can create a chart and then say like, which reward is coming. You can also create a pivot table here. So pivot table would be travel. What are the other categorical variables? Item category. So where is cashback? Cashback is not there. Okay, so I will just create a basic pivot chart. I'll create a basic pivot table here. Right, so in the pivot table, I'm going to find out the reward program, reward on the row, and item categories, right? So there are different items. So I'm going to use item category, and the value will be the purchase amount. So I'll use an average purchase amount. So whichever gives you the highest average purchase amount. Right? Where is cashback? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, fine. Yeah. See, what we can do is we will also format with the color. So you can go to format, color. So you can do, you can make it on specific conditions also, but all the values are somewhat clear, same. So we will change it to green and red and see. So you can actually change it. Just give me a second. Color formatting. We don't want the rule based. I want the divergent ones. It changes colors based on. Okay, I will try this color pattern then.
Maybe it's not coming because it's not in the table.
Which is not in. So this is just a cover, Ideally, it should come. I don't know why this is not coming here, colors. Okay, fine, and hold it. It should actually give us some colors. I'm wondering why the colors are not coming here. Okay, so I'm not sure. Okay, so this is a pivot table for you. Ideally, there should be a color working like this. I don't know why it is not working. So this is again with respect to a different, the account one. It should work. I'm not sure why this is not coming out here. I'll show you, like, I'll figure out why this is not coming and then I'll, find it out. Okay, so this is basically a pivot table. Okay. Now, see, I haven't connected the third data set, which is merchant ID. Do you want to give a try by your own to connect it? How would you connect a merchant data set? I didn't connect the merchant data set. Would you like to connect it by yourself? But it will not be your credit card details here. So something that merchant ID, yes, merchant ID. So you have to connect it with your merchant ID. So you go back to the flow again. So that is it's okay. You don't want to, I'm just showing it. If you want later on, you can put it to your dashboard. Now I'm just want to show it that, you can do a pivot table and other things. So here again, another join. And this one would be with the merchant info. Sorry? Merging, yes, that's what in SQL we call them as joins. Left join, right join, and other things. Merging, data set merging. Create recipe. No, it's actually using, latitudes and longitudes. Yeah, that's also fine, but it has used merchant ID here. So merchant ID is also there. So that as far as that is better. So run merchant ID.
Can you repeat from the color scheme part you were doing? I got lost after that.
Where exactly? 1 second. I'll come
You were
here.
trying to experiment with the green and red, and that
I
didn't
don't know
work.
why is it not working. So I'm not sure. Wait, I'll show you. So this one, so ideally, if you format and use a color scale, it will create you a heat map. So for different colors, it will give different, intensity of heat.
Okay, got it.
With
And what
the
were the
color,
next steps after this that you followed?
Sorry?
What were the steps after this that you followed?
After this is all for, we have done only 2 data sets. We merged it and we created a pivot. I wanted you to try with the third data set, which is the merchant info. I want you to join this and the merchant info. So for this, we click this and then again click on join. So here, this is the join data set, the previous one. And here you will choose the merchant info and create recipe. So it is automatically connected latitudes, longitudes, but for me, I want the merchant ID to be connected. And it's good that merchant ID is being connected here. Once this is done, I'm going to run this. You run this. Now in the flow, you will see all the 3 data sets connected. Now you can also see which merchant is providing more amount, purchase amount, which merchant is preferred more. So you can actually connect the fields of 3 different data sets and create a new data chart. You can create charts and pivot tables based on that. Yes. Yes. Yeah. So this is exactly how your organizational data would be. So each one will be in different ones. So you have to pull everything.
So before coming here to find out the similarity.
Yeah. So as a domain expert, you will know these are the keys. And sometimes it is given by, the manager, the person you're reporting, right? They themselves will say that this is the unique key you have to match. So all those will be given to you. So now you go back to flow.
Yes, ma'am.
See, this is your flow. So these are all recipes. So you understood 2 recipes. What happens? Sorry, which step? So we have got 2 recipes. One is we did pre-processing and the other one is join. But there are so many other recipes which I suggest you all explore.
No.
Right? Where did you miss? The third one or which one? The last one is You have to ensure the merchant ID is matched. That's the most important ones. So it automatically did it for me. If not, you can again you can create a join here. So this is there. This is the merchant info. Add a data set. But why is it always giving me and it's not giving you?
They might be connecting the cardholder info, the old one. They do that, it won't connect.
Oh, okay. Hey, are you connecting the joined new data set? See, we have joined data set here.
Cardholder join data set.
We have a cardholder info joined, and then I'm joining the merchant info with the joined data set. Are you trying to connect it here? Okay, yeah, you're right. Yeah, please connect it with the already joined one, else it will be difficult. There won't be a matching key for them to match. So this is how you have literally collated 3 different ones. All right. So I think from here next class onwards, you will be getting into modeling. So it was nice actually interacting with you all. And thank you. And sorry for those online, I seriously couldn't get back to them. But please drop me an email. I would be happy to help with whatever, requirements you need. Okay. So with this, I will wind up. All right. I just need the attendance. For online, yes, I will take the attendance from the teams. And if you have any doubt, just stay back. We will clarify that. Aisha is there. Prathamesh is there. Aditya was there. Hifsa was there. Abhi was there. Oh, you are Abhi. Akash is there. Shan was there. Okay. Rahul is there. Kalyani was there. Kartika is there today. I didn't see.
Online.
Okay. Okay, fine. No issues. Kartika, Aslam is there. No, he didn't come today, right? Adarsh didn't come. Brinda, Bhargavi, Lubna. Is there anybody else that I missed in today's session here? That's all, right? Oh, yeah. Sorry, Varun. Yes. Varun. Anybody else I missed? No. Everybody is there then. Okay, fine. So online ones, I will take it from the Teams meeting. Right? And just to tell you, the earlier meeting has been actually recorded and added in the same chat. You can actually take that. Yeah. So that's all. If you have any doubts, stay back. Else, thank you so much.
Thank you. Take care.
Yeah.
Thank you.
The link will be in the chat.